The other top story tonight, record low mortgage rates. We haven't seen these rates since the 1950s. For some, it's a green light to buy fast or refinance. But for so many hurting homeowners, it's nothing more than a tease. Not on Your Side's Tammy Vo is live to explain in tonight's Consumer Watch.
Well, Guy, can you believe that 30-year mortgage rates today are as low as 3.5%? Not a bad deal. You know, you would think these low rates would trigger the housing market into some sort of buying frenzy, hoping to get a lot of the homes that are still on the market, like this one on Tucson's east side, sold. But instead, some of these low interest rates are causing a bit of frustration. Stephanie Ibarra is in a unique situation. She sells homes for a living at RE/MAX Excalibur and wants to buy a home but can't after losing her dream home to foreclosure.
Huge house payment, 2 mortgages on my house, and a business that required I had a lot of money and coming in, and then all of a sudden I didn't.
She, better than anyone, can understand where her clients are coming from. Great interest rates, great home prices, nowhere to go. I imagine you probably would love to get in right now on these low interest rates and the great prices in the market, but you're unable to.
Yeah, I'm unable to. There's no way that I could buy a home right now. No.
How long do you think it'll be?
It will be, I've been told it would be 5 to 7 years before I could buy a home, which means that I can't take advantage of any of the things that are happening right now in the marketplace. You know, anybody else's short sales, any of the homes that are in foreclosure, any bank-owned properties, none of that. And actually not even a regular sale. I cannot buy a home.
Fairway Independent Mortgage. Just down the street at Fairway Mortgage, they have been busy. People ready to buy or refinance, but their credit is still scarred from foreclosure, or their home value has dropped so much the bank won't do the deal. Mark Tronziger has to break the bad news.
And I said, I'm sorry to tell you, your appraisal came in, lower than what we had estimated, and it's now at a point where, you can't financially take advantage of the rates that we have out there. It's a tough conversation to have. People get their hopes up. It's like a tease. The rates are there, but you can't take advantage of it in many cases.
That's a whole lot of people that are unable to buy a house. So I really think there would be some kind of program created that would allow for, its extenuating circumstances.
If you are one of the thousands of Arizonans who's really struggled with this housing market, maybe you want to refinance, maybe you want to buy another home, but you just can't, and you want to take advantage of these very low interest rates. Experts like Mark Tronziger told me today, you just need to hang in there. Hopefully the prices in this market will rebound, and hopefully these interest rates will stay low. So, Guy, if you can't maybe take advantage of those 3.5% interest rates that we're seeing today, hey, maybe when you can, it'll bump up to 4%, 5%, still a reasonable price.
Yeah. Now, what kind of impact has this had on the rental market?
Yeah, you can imagine that a lot of people who've had their homes foreclosed are now all renting. That has caused quite a boom in the rental market. Is it good or bad? Well, that depends on who you are. If you're a renter, not so good, because they say that a lot of landlords, apartment complexes are raising rates because of the shortage. So hopefully that won't have too much of an impact on home buyers as they wait out the market and hopefully prepare to buy again someday soon.
Okay, Tammy, thank you.